Welcome back to Innovative Foods. Today we are making a spicy, delicious and protein-rich egg bhurji, also known as Anda Bhurji, a perfect comfort food for any meal. First, crack 4 eggs. Add half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Egg bhurji is often called the Indian scrambled egg. It's one of the most popular street foods in India. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoon oil. Add 1 small cinnamon stick, 3 to 4 cloves, and half teaspoon cumin. Next, add half cup chopped onion and 2 green chilies. Cook for 2 minutes. Add half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon crushed coriander seeds, and 1 blended tomato. Mix well. Season with half teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon salt, and half teaspoon garam masala. Use Kashmiri red chili for color without too much heat. Fresh coriander leaves add the aroma at the end. Add 2 tablespoon boiled green peas. Adding green peas gives extra texture and sweetness. And 2 tablespoon water. Cook for 2 minutes. Make space in the pan and pour the beaten eggs. Scramble lightly. Always cook eggs on medium heat to keep them soft. This dish can be enjoyed for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Bhurji stalls are found in almost every Indian city. Now cut 2 boiled eggs into pieces. Add the boiled egg. Cook for 2 minutes. Eggs are a great source of protein and vitamins. Green peas add fiber and plant-based protein. Using less oil makes it a lighter dish. This dish keeps you full for longer, making it perfect for weight management. Our spicy and tasty egg bhurji is ready. Try it at home and let us know how you enjoyed it. What's your favorite egg recipe? Omelette, curry or bhurji? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovative Foods for more delicious recipes.